Are you short on time but still want to see the best of Dubai? I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to show you 5 must-see places that are all within easy reach of each other, so you can make the most of your time in this incredible city. Let's get started. First, you can't visit Dubai without seeing the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. At 830 meters tall, this is the place to start your day. Head to the At the Top observation deck for sweeping views of Dubai, the desert, and beyond. It's a sight you won't forget. And the best part? It's right next to Dubai Mall and Dubai Fountain. So no time wasted traveling from one to the next. Once you've soaked in those incredible views, it's time to head over to Dubai Mall, which is just steps away from Burj Khalifa. This isn't just a shopping mall. It's a world of adventure with over 1,200 stores, an indoor aquarium, an ice rink, and more. And don't forget to catch the Dubai Fountain Show right outside the mall. It's the world's largest choreographed fountain, and it dances to music every 30 minutes in the evening. A perfect way to unwind and enjoy the beauty of the city. Next, we're heading just a short drive away to the Dubai Frame, an architectural marvel that offers spectacular views of both old and new Dubai. Standing at 150 meters tall, this golden frame is a perfect way to see the city's contrasts. From one side, you'll look out over the modern skyline, and from the other, you'll see the historic areas of Dubai. It's an iconic spot and a must-see if you want to get a sense of Dubai's evolution. Now, let's make our way to the Dubai Future Museum, only a short distance from the Dubai Frame. This is where Dubai's vision for the future comes to life. The museum showcases cutting-edge technologies, from artificial intelligence to space exploration. It's a fascinating experience that gives you a glimpse into what's to come. And trust me, it's nothing like you've ever seen before. After all the sightseeing, it's time to unwind at Kite Beach, located a bit further along the coast. This is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the stunning views of the Burj Al Arab in the distance. Whether you're into kite surfing, walking along the beach, or just soaking up the sun, Kite Beach offers a peaceful break to end your busy day. So, there you have it, a one-day itinerary that takes you through Dubai's top attractions, all in one smooth journey. From the world's tallest building to a glimpse into the future and a relaxing beach break, Dubai has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which place you'd visit first. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new adventure with us. See you in the next video.